Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. And today we are talking about freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to make money online. So freelancing basically is a marketplace where two kind of people are working together. One is buyer, one is seller. Basically sellers are providing services and buyers are looking for services. It means that if you are a logo designer, if you are a graphic designer, if you are a social media manager, if you are a Google ad expert, and if you are a Facebook ad expert, and if you want to sell your services to someone who are looking for those services, then you might be a good freelancer. So in simple terms, freelancing is a marketplace where buyers and sellers are work together to perform some meaningful tasks. Okay, you might be aware about Amazon. Amazon is also a very good marketplace where few people are buyer, where few people are seller. In the same terms, the same way, freelancing is a marketplace where buyers are looking for their services which you want to complete, and the sellers who provide the services to the buyers. In other words, just take a simple example. Suppose I am a seller. I can do content writing, I can do graphic designing, and I can do digital marketing services. Okay, so these are my services, and on the basis of these services, I can try to find out our potential prospect who can hire me. So what I need to do? I need to do only to create one profile on freelancing platforms and start bidding and start hunting the clients on these particular platforms. So once we will communicate together, we will also share our portfolios on the basis of our previous experience, feedbacks, and our testimonials. Customers will hire me. This is the simple understanding of freelancing. So freelancing can be of various types. So freelancing can be done on various platforms. You might be aware about Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, Fiverr.com, and Guru.com. But apart from these four websites, there are lots of other websites where we can do freelancing. But as a personal, my opinion, I only recommend these four websites to work with, because these are very top-notch companies in the field of freelancing marketplace. So I hope you understand what I mean in this video. Before I leave, if you have any questions, any doubt, feel free to ask through comment box, and also please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for further notification. Whenever I will post any new video, you will get notified once you subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.